Using this tool and ChatGPT, you can create amazing link in bio website like this. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create a free Blogger account. To create Blogger account, just go to Google and type Blogger. Click on the first link. Click here. Use your Gmail to create an account. Once you have created your Blogger account, now let's create a blog. Click here. Click on New Blog. Give your blog a name. And then write the name for your link address. And hit save. Your blog is ready. Now do this. Create a page. And upload your profile picture or logo here. And just copy the link of your profile or logo. Step 2. Go to Google and type afa.womener.in. Click here, you will see a form like this. Type your site name here. Paste your profile photo link here. Now click here to find the background image for your site. Once you found your desired background image, click here to copy the link. And paste here on background image link section. Choose your button's color from here. And now write the name and add link to your buttons one by one. And finally add the social media links. Once you have finished this all, click here. Copy this output. Step 3. Go to ChatGPT. Paste your copied output here. And submit. ChatGPT will generate HTML code for your link in bio website. Just copy that code. Step 4. Go to Blogger. Click on Theme. Click here. Choose Classic Theme. Turn off the navigation bar. And finally click on Edit HTML. Remove the old HTML codes. And paste the code you have copied from ChatGPT. Click here to save. Now visit blog to see how your link in bio site looks. It's looking good. Well done. We just created a link in bio site using Womener AI and ChatGPT. Stay tuned with us, because in future we will be launching more helpful tools for you.